In the meantime, the PNP's Damian Crawford has blasted the government, saying poor treatment of the entertainment sector during the COVID-19 pandemic has contributed to the lack of a festival song competition to mark Jamaica's 60 celebrations. He was speaking Saturday night at a PNP divisional conference in Bridgeport, Portmore, St. Catherine. There has been outrage across Jamaica since the government announced there will be no festival song competition this year due to the poor quality of entries. Damian Crawford, who is a former State Minister of Entertainment, had strong views on the matter.
They can't go to no entertainment practitioner because entertainment recognized that during COVID, racers did open when party couldn't keep. They recognize that when St. James locked down to round robin, it opened for one night to some fest. They recognize that when the people from foreign come for Mocha, COVID never go round again, and Mocha keep. So the entertainment fraternity recognize that the JLP is an enemy of entertainment.
In her sectoral presentation on Tuesday, Culture and Entertainment Minister Olivia Grange said as at May 18, individuals and organizations in the entertainment sector got $88.8 million in support. It was part of a package to help those who were unable to earn during the pandemic and to help re-energize activities now that some restrictions have been lifted. For Mr. Crawford, that's just one side of the story. Since only 123 entries were received for the festival song competition in this our 60th year of independence, something is wrong.
The Ministry of Culture has been reduced to the Ministry of Events. Somehow we lose our pride in our country. Most Jamaicans are not happy with what Jamaica is now. 60th anniversary, and only 120 songs coming. 60th anniversary, and the best of our entertainment sector now participate. 60th anniversary, and they don't come and say we have a vote on the top 60 festival songs of all time and come down to a 12 of all time. They won't go in our back room and say, see a CD here.
Minister Grange said instead of a festival song competition, a Jamaica 60 album will be developed with the help of reggae ambassadors and emerging artists. Writing workshops will also be intensified to strengthen the competition for Jamaica 61.